Welcome to HydroSym Tutorials. This video is about the Bill of Materials print menu. When using components in the canvas, HydroSym automatically generates a Bill of Materials. The Bill of Materials is a list of all used components in your project. It provides data from all individual component properties in one overview. There are two ways to customize the Bill of Materials, both with different purpose. In the Bill of Materials editor, covered in our previous tutorial, you can adjust the content while working on your project. If you haven't watched it already, you can watch it from here. In the Bill of Materials print menu, you arrange the layout to meet your output requirements, like in the layout drawing for the canvas. The print menu can be accessed both from the Bill of Materials editor and from the canvas. It allows you to modify existing layouts and create new ones. It includes a print preview to check your output up front, and once you're done, you can either print it, export it to Excel, or save it as a PDF. To modify an existing layout, you start by selecting a layout under Selected Layout. HydroSym's standard options are Portrait and Landscape. We'll go for Landscape. Now click Modify to open the Bill of Materials layout window. Next, you change the columns to your output needs. Let's insert size and price columns, remove the remark column, and move manufacturer a few columns to the left. Changing and sorting columns works the same as in the Bill of Materials editor. You change output layout only, while in the editor you can add or adjust content. So to add prices in our still empty column here, which is content, we need to enter them in the editor. After modifying the columns to your liking, there are several more preset options to choose from down here. It takes too much time to explain them all, and besides that, it depends on your content if they are applicable at all. So for now, since we added a price column, I'll just select Add Row with Total Price. Last, the language options down here at the left affect the Bill of Materials print menu only. Standard, the Bill of Materials follows your default language setting, but if you need to translate your output to another language, for foreign customers or otherwise, you do this here. Other than modifying existing layouts, you can also create new ones. To do so, first choose if you want your new layout to be in Portrait or Landscape. Then click New, so a copy of your selected layout is opened. Rename the copy here under Layout Description. Organizing a new layout works exactly the same as modifying existing ones as explained just before. So for this layout, let's remove the manufacturer column. If you'd like to change the header, again, this works the same for new and existing layouts. Please watch our tutorial on drawing headers where this is explained both for the Bill of Materials and the layout drawing. Last, click OK to add the new layout to your options. Now, if you're not happy with your new layout, you can delete it here. But if you are happy with your new layout, and you'd like to make it a preset layout not only in this current project, but in all your upcoming projects as well, then save and close your current project. Download the online HydroSym default schematic under Tools, Preferences and Settings to the Templates folder in your local library. Open the HydroSym default schematic in the Templates folder in your local library. Next, open the Bill of Materials print menu and copy from. Browse to select the project file you want to copy the layouts from. Click Yes to confirm. Now open the layout options to check your new layouts. Close the print menu and save and close HydroSym's default schematic. And last, open a new project in HydroSym. Open the Bill of Materials print menu, and as you can see, Portrait 1 is now a preset layout. If you don't want to create a new preset layout for all upcoming projects, but just want to copy a layout for one-time use only, then skip adjusting the template. Simply open the Copy From window in the project you're working on and take it from there. And then finally, when you're done managing your layout to your needs, you can either print it, export it to Excel, or save it as a PDF. That's it. All in all, quite some information, but mastering this really lifts you to a more advanced level. So feel free to watch again. If you'd like to learn more, please watch our other tutorials, especially our twin edition on the Bill of Materials editor and our strongly correlated tutorial on drawing headers. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team or visit our support area on the Paro website.